In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wishlist icon in WordPress header, WooCommerce tutorial. We'll work right inside the WordPress site editor so you can add a clean, clickable wishlist icon to your header without touching code. Start by opening the site editor and loading the home template. This puts you in the exact layout your visitors see, including the global header. Give the page a second to load, then click into the header area so the blocks become selectable. Next, locate an existing image or icon block in your header, such as a small cart or user icon. Click it once to highlight the group it lives in, then click again until the single image block itself is selected. You'll know you've got the image when its individual toolbar appears. If you accidentally select the entire row or group, just click the image again to drill down to the block level. With that image block selected, open the block's options and choose Duplicate. This instantly creates a copy in the same spot, which we'll repurpose as your wishlist icon. Keep the duplicate in the same header row so spacing and alignment remain consistent across your site. Now adjust how this duplicated icon behaves when someone clicks it. With the duplicate still selected, open the image link settings. You'll see choices like link to image file and link to attachment page. Cycle through those options so you're clear on what they do, and make sure this icon won't open a media file or a separate attachment page. Also find the enlarge on click option and turn it off, since we don't want a lightbox effect for a navigation icon. These tweaks ensure the icon feels like part of your header navigation, not a gallery image. Time to swap in the wishlist graphic. Click Replace on the image toolbar, then choose your wishlist icon from the media library or upload a transparent PNG or SVG for the crispest result. Aim for a size that matches your other header icons so everything looks balanced. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Confirm the changes in the Save panel if prompted, and then click Save again to commit everything to the template and its parts. Finally, click Launch to push the update live so visitors immediately see your new wishlist icon in the header. That's it. You duplicated an existing header icon, refined its link behavior, replaced it with